Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and share it as it helps the channel grow. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Our Journey to Oneness. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Wednesday, May 18, 2:39 a.m. Materialism is a constant concern over material possessions and wealth, a great or excessive priority in regard for worldly concerns. Disattached to materialism and to a bigger sense the amassing and accumulation of wealth for power and grandeur. The moment you have that change of heart you feel a sudden change in your spiritual outlook. Something magical, something of divine perfection is happening to your world as people awaken. Attain the will to get disattached to materialism and you start to link with a new path to a higher vibration, ascension. Know the intricacies of ascension and you are in your journey to oneness, wholeness with the infinite creator, source, all that is. Make your heart the center of your life, go within and learn from your higher self and your intuition what ascension really is all about through meditation and silence. It is time to realize that you are here to live fully, in joy and happiness, all of which are within you, and once you know it, you know who you are. The moment enlightenment is encoded in your cells, illumination and knowing lead you to your purpose, that is to a higher vibration. It comes into your consciousness and all the darkness you encounter will turn out nuisance in the real sense. Magical things happen, mind, body and soul merge and connect with the divine, creeps in as your DNA template is programmed to seek higher vibration. These influx of light, love and truth look so complicated to understand as we all have been buried by darkness and our cellular makeup have been manipulated to a point of knowing only how to look for material things to make us happy. We forgot what joy means, the real way to have lived on the planet. Start connecting divinity with your mind, body, spirit, and illumination. Enlightenment will come in knowing you are a fractal of Source, God. You will learn the meaning of joy. Since childhood, for 77 years, I made it my motto that we can do everything, create anything, except acts of God as human laws defined it until we, the aware awakened, realized we are fractals of Source. Our journey however has been trashed and dismembered, but as soon as you are aware and realized who you really are, you get focused to the path, to unity consciousness, Source. The wisdom of the council, Landon says you came forth to be part of this great awakening of humanity and yes, the greatest transformation of consciousness that has ever occurred. You are on the right track. Love and Light, Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and organize corporations creating jobs, share knowledge as faculty or officer at universities, boards and associations. Angel is MBA, CPA, A. Link at ornedodra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com.